Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having an exciting day today because my favorite time of the year is definitely Christmas time. My whole family gets together. There's peace, harmony. The lights are up, the trees are up, it's present giving, and I just love it. It's my most favorite time of the year. I know some of you guys don't like Christmas. I know some of you guys maybe prefer Halloween, whatever. My personal preference is definitely Christmas. So today for you guys, I just have a little Christmas haul. Guys, my Christmas haul is from Poundland. Now, just a disclaimer, all Poundlands are different. I know that I've been to a few where I live and they have a lot of different stuff. Some of them don't carry the same stuff. Some of them have different things. So I'm just letting you guys know this is from my local Poundland in Belfast city centre. So this is where you can find all these fun-filled items. Okay, the first thing that I have to show you guys, and I did buy one of these already, but it was so pretty, I had to buy another one. It's this little doggy stocking. I have a little Bichon Frise. She's not very small. She's about a medium-sized dog. And I did get her one of these already, and then I went back and got her another one. These are the little dry treats. So they're rawhide. You're getting, I don't know how many grams of product because it doesn't say. It doesn't matter. This little item was £1. You're getting a lot of different little treats, rawhide treats in here, and my dog will love that. You've got little bones, a little heart waffle, which I think is adorable. You've got your little bows in green and red. I'm loving the color scheme, very Christmassy. And we also have the little twisties. So £1, this is a cute little item. My dog will be super stoked and she will also get a little Christmas treat. So I'm pretty happy about that. Guys, I'm going to set some things off to the side just as we're going through. This table is bunged full of things. It's just packed. So I'm just going to move things around. The next little thing that I got, and not everything in Poundland is £1, remember that. So this little item was £3. I bought this to include it into a little hamper for a friend. These are the little universesurprise.com, and they're the little unicorn cloud surprises. There are 40 to collect. These were £3. I don't know if I mentioned that. I love the little rainbow, the crying cloud with the little rainbow eyes. Very, very cute. This is for £5+. I have done a number of these on my channel and I have bought some more to see what other items we can get in the collection. That will be in a future video. But I think this one is super adorable and this is going to be in a little hamper. £3, I thought that was a bargain. Another little toy. These little Twisty Pets, again, £3. This is series 3. I don't believe that there is a series. Oh, yes, there is. This is series 1. I'm totally fine with that. I don't know if there are series 2, 3, 4 and whatever in that one. But this little pack is series 3 and it's the Twisty Pets. So inside you get a little pet and it twists out and makes a little bracelet. These are £3 also. You can go on to YouTube or Instagram and watch videos on these little Twisty Pets, but they're super adorable. And I love that you can make it into a pet or a bracelet. It's just really cute. So that is my next little item. Adorable. Look how gorgeous that crystal looking that is. It's just super pretty. So I'm totally happy about this. I have an avalanche. I do have another one of these little Volte holders. I bought one for my Christmas table and decided to go back and get another. I love the I just love it. It's beautiful. It is your little Volte candle holder just right in the center, and then you've got this lovely twine around the middle, around the bottom, and then you've got this gorgeous glitter effect in silver leaves and berries. So I thought this was really pretty. I initially only bought one and then decided to go back and get another one and make a set on my Christmas kitchen table. And this little item was £1. I think it's adorable, super, super cute, and I'm really, really happy with it. It holds one Volte candle. I generally tend to buy my candles for these little Volte holders in the Yankee Candle shop. I love the smell of Yankee candles. I think they're really heavily scented, and I just love the fragrance. So I have a set of Christmas spice for my little Volte holders. So my little candles will be popped in this, and that will make my table look really, really nice. Okay, guys, I have a little bit of an avalanche right here. I have 2 of these little sleigh bells. I just wanted to show you guys that I did buy 2. We'll pop one off to the side. Inside this little pack, you're getting all your activities. So inside it includes 1 sticker sheet, which I think is awesome, 1 write and draw storybook, 1 coloring book, 1 activity book, and 6 little mini pencils. These little activity packs are only £1, and again, this is to also go in with my toys into my little I'm making up a little hamper, and I just thought it was cute. And who doesn't like to draw and color in? It is exceptionally relaxing. I love the fact that you're getting stickers in this pack, and I love that it's Christmas themed. Totally adorable. Very, very happy with that. The next thing I got are these gorgeous wall stickers. However, these will not be going on my wall. They'll be going on my little door. And I just love the snow effect look. You're getting a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 larger of the stickers, and then you have little individual snowflake and star stickers. And I don't know if you guys can see, but they do have this really nice glitter effect. So they're adorable. They were £1 a set. I think that's really reasonable, and I love them. Look how Christmassy they are. They're gorgeous. Guys, at Christmas in Belfast, our weather tends to not really be changeable. We don't get a lot of snow. That's not to say we don't get snow, but we don't tend to get a lot of it. And when we do get it, it clears up. I do know that there are other countries that don't get any snow. I also know that there are countries that get a ton of snow. We're very lucky. Our weather, we don't get the best summers. We get reasonably warm. A little rainy. We do live in Ireland. Ireland is known for its rain, but we don't get that heavy snow that stops everything, and I'm really grateful for that. I'm not a snow fanatic. I then went ahead and I purchased these Noel envelope seal sheets. I love when I give a Christmas card to anyone just to have a little seal, a little sticker across the back where the envelope meets each other. I just think it adds that extra little, personal touch. And I thought these were really, really cute. I love the fact that they're on brown with red and the white, because they're very vintage, like vintage style. So I really, really like those. You're getting 2 sheets. So in each sheet, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're getting 24 stickers on each sheet, and we're getting 2 sheets here. That is plenty enough for me to send out all of the Christmas cards I need to send. And they're super adorable. Special delivery from Santa. Well, special delivery from me. Guys, the next things I got, I don't know if you guys like these or not, but I love a nice face mask. And I saw these and they were super festive and so pretty. And I thought I could put one into the little hamper and keep one for myself. I always like to kind of treat myself to something when I'm doing shopping. So these are little face masks. They are Face Facts. We have one in gingerbread. It's a rejuvenating sheet mask enriched with coffee. They are inside this pack. You get 1 printed sheet mask, and it's vegan friendly, which is awesome. So this is the little sheet mask that we're getting inside. Adorable, super, super cute. And the next one is the Face Facts Santa Baby Soothing Sheet Mask enriched with rose flower extract. Again, you're getting 1 printed sheet mask. They're vegan friendly, and this is the little face mask that you're getting inside. I think that is super adorable. I really, really like face masks. I always find that they're really refreshing and cool on my face. And if I'm tired, I've been working hard all day, it's so nice to just take off all my makeup, cleanse my face, pop on a face mask and just let it cool down and wash away my tiredness. So I am an advocate definitely for a face mask, and these were super, super cute. The next little item I have is, these were adorable. I could not help but buy these. They are Sleigh Bells 2-meter candy cane bunting. Look how adorable these are. Are they not the cutest thing ever? I bought these for my kitchen. We do tend to eat Christmas dinner in our kitchen, and I like to have some sort of bunting up. Normally I have a Merry Christmas. This year I thought I would just go candy cane. And these are my color schemes, the white and red. So I am totally happy with these. Again, £1 a pack. Guys, I don't know if I told you how much the face masks were, but they were £1 each. I think that's pretty awesome. I have seen something similar in other shops, maybe a little cheaper, but I had already purchased these. So I'm happy with them, so that's perfectly fine. And this is our little 2-meter candy cane bunting, adorable, ready for you guys to pop down and purchase. The next little item, and I've bought these before, and I don't know if I'm going to put this into the gift pack or whether I'll do a video maybe on this, because I like doing creative active videos. If you guys want to see me do this little craft set, let me know in the comment section below, because if you're interested, I definitely will. I mean, if you guys are not interested, I probably won't. But this is a little kids create pack. It's a make your own 4 festive figurines. You get inside the pack contains plaster of Paris, 4 paints, 1 paintbrush, and 4 festive molds. I'm assuming the festive molds are the penguin, the gingerbread man, Santa, and the elf. This is for 5 years plus. Guys, obviously you can make this with your children who are smaller, just also supervise. I love getting these packs because my nephews love doing creative activities. These are perfect. They keep them busy. They keep them entertained, and they love having something at the end that they have made, which is perfect. So we may do this in a video. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you want me to do a little craft video. This is adorable. This is just too adorable. I had to buy this little item. This is a special delivery to Santa. This is the Sleigh Bells Letter to Santa envelope. It is made out of felt. It has this cute little Velcro. Inside is a little pouch, and you can put all of your letters to Santa. I just thought this made a really cute addition to my decor, and it's adorable, and I cannot wait to put all of these things up. I'm super, super excited. This little item was only £1. I think a lot of work has gone into making this little item for £1. So I was really, really happy when I got it. I love the little candy striped handle, and it's going to be super cute. Okay, these are not as exciting. However, they're just little paper platters. I used to, a long time ago, I used to make individual starters for everyone, and that became a monster. So now I don't. I buy these little platters, and I put a lot of antipasti. I put olives and cheeses, crackers, and then for starters, everybody just kind of helps themselves, which is so much of a time saver for me, definitely. Because when you're cooking for a lot of people, sometimes there's just not enough hours. So these little platters are fantastic in my color scheme. Really loving them. These are 8 paper platters for £1. Pretty nifty. No dishes required, and exactly what I love. So I'm super, super happy about these. Guys, let me show you these things at the back. Whoa. And I'm only just realizing I really should have taken a thumbnail. Maybe at the end of the video, I'll pop everything back and just do a thumbnail. These are a set of 6 family crackers in my color scheme. We have red and we have white and a little bit of gold, which is perfectly fine. But definitely my color scheme, so I'm very happy about that. These little crackers are only £2 a pack. I thought that was awesome. I generally tend to keep crackers on my Christmas tree. They usually only last to Christmas Day because everybody cracks them on Christmas Day, which I'm totally fine about. But I thought these were really cute, really inexpensive. And inside the packs, you can get mini puzzles and bookmarks, Sudoku books. I love Sudoku, so that's definitely an awesome. A mystery calculator. Don't know how that works. I hope I get that one. You can get origami and mini fun books. So I'm pretty happy with these. It's mostly the kids that crack these little family crackers. So if any of the kids get this one, I will want to know what that's like, and I might ask them for the Sudoku. I don't know. But I thought they were really fun, and they're only £2 a pack, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm also knocking everything down. Guys, I'm just going to pop a few things back because it's always good for you guys to be able to see what I've purchased. I just have so much fun Christmas shopping. I mean, I generally have fun shopping. You guys know my channel is predominantly a haul channel where I do a ton of shopping, but I do have so much fun shopping, but my favorite time of the year to shop for anything is definitely Christmas. I love all of the dinky little things that they have. I am the ultimate consumer at Christmas. I'm totally fine with that. But I just love it. It is so much fun. So sorry, I'm just trying to get everything set back up again. So guys, the last things that I bought in this haul are these two gorgeous cake stands or cake boxes. Now, these are cupcake boxes and they're £1 each. However, I'm not going to be using them as cupcake boxes. So little tip, they're pretty sturdy. I like that. I take the inside out, the cutout for the cupcakes, and I recycle. And I use the box to make little hampers for my nieces and nephews because I love the pretty patterns. It's really hard to get a box of a reasonable size for the value that I got these for that are so pretty. Normally the boxes are £2, £3, £4, even up to £5, £6. These boxes are awesome. I don't care that they are a cupcake box because I do discard the inner and I just use the box. It has this gorgeous little see-through bit and I put little foam Santa elf little decals on it and it makes it just look that little bit more Christmassy. So guys, this is my Christmas haul. Well, this is Christmas haul number 1. I'm definitely going to be doing at least another Christmas video with a lot of the ornaments that I got from a different place. So guys, please do keep a check on my channel. That video should be coming up very, very soon. And if you like this video, guys, please smash that thumbs up. I know a lot of you guys are watching my video and you're not subscribing and you're not liking the videos, and I understand if you don't want to subscribe, that's perfectly okay, but if you'd like to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But if you're watching the video, please give it a thumbs up, please give it a like. It really helps me out and it really does support me, and I am ever so grateful. If you'd like to be notified of any of my future videos, hit the notification bell. I post sometimes 2, sometimes 3 videos a week. It depends on what's new and available out there. But I do post regularly and I do post often. So you guys will always be entertained, hopefully. Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.